My name is Darren Cannell. For many years now I have been working on perfecting my ability to paint waves digitally. I started drawing waves back in my watercolor painting era. Using my iPad and Apple Pencil on vacation, I sit and watch the waves crashing on the shore and try to copy them. I love the sound and visual power. You can see many of my attempts and I would like to share my latest with you. I was looking at step-by-step tutorials on YouTube and found a painting tutorial called Acrylic Ocean Waves for Beginners by Debbie Avoux. This 1-hour video shows using acrylic paint on how to create this masterpiece. I sat down and over about 3 hours and 10 minutes I created my wave drawn digitally painting. I condensed this time down by 10,000% and what you have left is a sped up version of me painting the waves. At the end of the video, I posted the final image next to Debbie Avoux, and like all the other artists' masterpieces I have tried as I journey along and try to develop my drawing digitally skills. As you see the two of them side by side, I know I still need to keep working at it. Debbie did such a nice job on the splash of the wave that I was not able to replicate. However, in the last hour when I moved the wave back and then had room to do the water on the beach, I was happier with my finished product. I want to thank Debbie Avoux for sharing her talent, and I hope she gets a chance to see this video. I would love to hear her comments. Check out the video, she has lots of followers, and you will see why when you go to Debbie Avoux Studio on YouTube.